Hello viewers, welcome to GMAT.
Today we are going to see the easiest method for finding the highest common factor within a few seconds. So here I'm going to take two numbers 26 and 32. What we have to do first means find the difference between these two numbers. 32 minus 26 is 6. So you need to check whether the difference which we got here is a divisor of both the numbers. Is 6 a divisor of 26? No. Is 6 a divisor of 32? No. So what we have to do? We need to write the factors, all the factors of 6. It is 3, 2, 1. Now check whether 3 is the divisor of 26. No. So we can exclude this 3. Now just check the next factor 2. Is 2 a divisor of 26? Yes. Is 2 a divisor of 32? Yes. So we can conclude the HCF as 2 for these two numbers. The next one is 9 and 12. We have to find the difference between these two numbers. It is 12 minus 9. We have 3. Is 3 a divisor of 9? Yes. And is 3 a divisor of 12? Yes. So we can conclude 3 itself as the highest common factor for 9 and 12. The next set of numbers which I have taken here is 4, 16 and 22. So find the differences between different combination of numbers. That is the difference between 16 and 4 is 12 and difference between 22 and 16 is 6 and 22 and 4 is 8. So out of these differences, the least difference only we have to take. Here it is 6. So now we have to check whether 6 is the divisor of 4, 16 and 22. 6 is not the divisor of 4, 16 and 22. So we need to write the factors of this 6. It is 3, 2, 1. So now just check whether this 3 is a divisor of 4, 16 and 22. No, 3 is not a divisor of 4, 16 and 22. Next factor which we have here is 2. 2 is a divisor of 4, 2 is a divisor of 16 and 2 is a divisor of 22. So the highest common factor is 2. The next set of numbers which I am going to take here are 56, 42 and 98. So here also we have three numbers. We need to find the difference. Difference between these two is 14 and here if you find the difference between these two it is 56 and difference between 98 and 56 is 42. So out of these three differences 14 is the least one. So just take 14 and check whether this 14 is the divisor of 56, 42 and 98. 14 4s are 56, 14 3s are 42 and 14 7s are 98. So we can conclude the HCF of these three numbers as 14. The next set of numbers which I am going to take here is 25 and 37. So here if we find the difference between these two numbers, it is 12. Check whether 12 is a divisor of this 25. No, it's not a divisor as well as it's not a divisor of this 37. So just we need to write the factors of these 12. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. So since 12 is not the divisor of these two numbers, we need to check it for the other factors. 6 is not a divisor of 25 and 37. 4 is not a divisor of 25 and 37. 3 is not a divisor of 25 and 37. And 2 is also not a divisor of 25 and 37. So we can conclude that 1 is the common factor, highest common factor, HCF for these two numbers. Hope this method will be useful and it will be easy for you. Please give your valuable comments in the comment section and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you.